एवरीबॉडी वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मैं हूं नेहा। कैसे हो आप सब? तो आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं तंगलन ट्रेलर एंड in this we have Chian Vikram, KG Ganakavelaraj and PA Ranjit GV Prakash Kumar and Tangalan's official trailer. We are here with it today and talking about the teaser before we have been seen. That was insane. I couldn't even recognize our Chian. The makeup was done that beautifully and I'm like very excited now कि देखेंगे कि क्या क्या अभी आने वाला है next in this movie. The trailer, the poster looks very exciting and also जैसे उन्होंने टीजर में जैसे उन्होंने सारी चीजें दिखाई द वे दे हैव बीन मतलब वो सारा लिया दैट डांस दैट रोर एंड एवरीथिंग ना बहुत खतरनाक. नाउ आई एम लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. लिटिल लेट because yesterday I was in a shoot and all that things has been happened, so sorry for the delay, but yes, today we are here with the Tangalan official trailer, so let's see how this trailer is going to be. चलिए देखते हैं.
है क्या? His Excellency Mr. क्लेमेंट साहब जो है आप पर उपकार करने के लिए आपके गांव आए हुए हैं
और हमारे सिवा ये काम कोई नहीं कर सकता है. सोना यही खोदो.
सबसे पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ सोना निकालना अपनी ही जान को खतरे में डालना है.
भूत पिशाच भटकते हैं.
ये सब करने वाला मायावी आदमी कौन है? मायावी आदमी नहीं है महाराज, मायावी औरत है, आरती.
सच नहीं है.
उस मायावी औरत का अंत नहीं हो सकता क्या? हो सकता है, मैं करूंगा. जो मरने से नहीं डरता वही यहाँ जी सकता है.
खतरनाक. look at that. गलगलान. भाई बहुत खतरनाक होने वाला है ये. I have not decided when it is going to be released. You're very much in shock when they have been shown us what we can say time period of the Tangalan, means our Chiam Vikram in here when he was young, and that what Britishers came in search of that gold, and some that Mayavi Aarti did something and they have been now searching for the gold there, but there is no gold there. This movie, this kind of a story never I have been thought about, and it has very what we can say more extra things than on the theatre. The trailer is not doing justice for the movie definitely, because और बहुत ज़्यादा है अंदर उसमें कि हमको जानना चाहिए. I love the character of Aarti in here. Her starting, what we can say, impression to us, the way she has shouted, her what we can say thread like hair, that bandana type of head crown. I loved everything about that character Aarti, and however Tangalan in here, Chian Vikram, he had that threads on her his head. वो उनका ये जो forehead है ना और पीछे लेके, that made him look more dangerous, more killer. And that what we can say septum pin, no ये septum pin बोलते हैं इसको, nose pin in this is called a septum pin, and septum ring, that looked very dangerous on her chin. It just मतलब made that whole look complete. And there was a scene where that, I guess that was jaguar ना, वो छोटा सा jaguar, it was like black color, वो jaguar ही था if I'm like not wrong. जैगवार और ब्लैक बियर में मे बी मतलब उतना ज़्यादा आई कांट स्पेसिफाई, मेरे को तो जैगवार ही लगा. सो दे वेर लाइक बोथ फाइटिंग. आई तो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है एज आरती इज मायावी, सो दैट शी टुक एन अवतार ऑफ दैट जैगवार एंड दे हैव लाइक दे हैव क्रैश like open fight, मतलब Chao Chian Tangalan versus Arati, and that thing was dangerous. And I wanted to know what is Arati the curse or she is the blessing for that whole village, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो अभी तो फिलहाल तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है she has been a curse, but why she has been get like that मायावी, तो उसके पीछे भी एक reason होगा, very क्या बोल सकते हैं, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन बिहाइंड वाई शी इज बीन लाइक दैट. एंड द ब्रिटिशर्स ऑल्सो केम दे फॉर इन सर्च ऑफ द गोल्ड, बट देर वॉज नो गोल्ड इन देयर. एंड ईच एंड एवरी कैरेक्टर इन हियर आई लव्ड इट, आई लिटरली लव्ड इन हियर. एंड ऑल्सो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ होगा कि वी हैव बीन सीन वन सिचुएशन इन हियर दैट चियान एंड ऑल्सो Tangalan and also the British officer are in the one side and Aarti is on the like other side of the fight. So वो एक देखने के बहुत मजा आएगा. After I guess PS2, after I guess PS2 directly I have been seeing our Chian Vikram sir in Tangalan movie, and he has been worked very hard for this movie, as we can see by his look and by his all the things only we can understand. And there are going to be many more of the fight scenes in here. मेरे को ना Chian Vikram's in Chian Vikram sir's movie, the most I admire about him is the way he chooses the story. Not like what we can see, he is often choosing like movies where there are like more action scenes or more what we can say, that kind of a scenes. He always chooses where he finds that all the action scenes or inappropriate things are in a appropriate way, like in quantity, like little quantity, but they're in good way. And also the storyline of that movie is good, as we can see I movie where there was like storyline इतना जबरदस्त था. And also PS2 there was like fight, but it was in a appropriate way, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा overpower नहीं किया गया था. And also one which Shreya Saran the movie, I'm like not recalling the name, but yes, I love that movie with Shreya Saran where they are like मतलब उसमें भी थोड़ा fight है, but I love that movie also of Chian. And there are like so many movies, but these are the main which I love of Chian. The PS1 and PS2, PS1 से ज़्यादा ना PS2 Ponniyin Selvan Part 2 is my favorite. You know, मतलब वो उसमें जैसे दिखाया गया, the character has been more built up of our Chian in the PS2, but in here in the Tangalan movie he is like totally different. And I wanted to see abhi kya hoga, the fight in between Aarti and our Chian. That is going to be very exciting. I'm like going to be very excited for that. And here till now, I guess they have been not said when the movie is going to be released. Let me search. I guess उन्होंने announce किया होगा. Tangalan release date. They have been saying 15th of the August. Postponed until 15th of the August. So I guess they have been not what we can say sure or anything, but मेरे को लग रहा है now this time it is sure that like 15th of the August will be the final one. So I'm like I'll be very excited to watch. So yeah, that is it for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना कि कैसा लगा, और आपको ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए वो भी कमेंट करके बता दो. इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दो, नीचे दिए गए वाइट सब्सक्राइब बटन को वो भी क्लिक कर देना, और मेरा इंस्टा आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया, सो प्लीज फॉलो दैट. थैंक यू.